Now we are going to talk with Abhishek Lag, Managing Director from Limited Export Limited. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Same here.
First of all, please introduce the history of your company.
Our company, basically our forefathers are into business of textile raw material for 40 years. But our company, Le Merit, have started export of the products which we are manufacturing since 2001. Now we are exporting to many countries, almost 6 continents, like Turkey, Egypt, Iran, China, Latin American countries like Brazil, Chile, Peru, to many countries in Europe also regularly.
What is your company's main product, technology, and competitives?
Basically, I will answer your question first on the last part. India is the second largest manufacturer of producer of raw cotton, and our country have a very good technology for producing cotton yarn. We have very good spinning factories in India. Not only our factory, but all Indian spinning factories are very competitive because of the availability of raw material within India, and also very good machinery. We have Lakshmi Reater machinery, which is earlier tied up with Reater, which is the world's number one machinery manufacturer for spinning. Now Lakshmi is known as LMW, also very good machinery because they have the technology inherent from Reater.
Okay, in this point, I want to ask you the whole process of your company's product.
Okay, I will start our. We have pictures.
Pictures,
Yes,
yeah, over here.
where I can explain you. The raw material, raw cotton, comes at this stage where the bale plucker opens the bale and sucks the cotton and send it to the blow room. The
Yes.
blow room sent the open cotton to the carding machine. The carding machine not only cleans the cotton, cleans the seeds and the other impurities and convert the cotton into the lap. The lap is the first stage of formation of the yarn, and after the first stage, the carding, it goes into the next stage where the the further lap is been formed into the thread, which is the draw frame, combing, speed frame, ring frame. This is the next step. Then from here it goes to the speed frame. From speed frame it comes to the ring frame. The ring frame, the final yarn as per the required count, as per the required thickness of the yarn is being produced. But at the ring frame stage, we cannot have more than 60 gram, 55 to 60 gram in per bobbin. That per bobbin of 55 to 60 gram should be made into the big cone. In the big cone, this the formation of that, the conversion of that small bobbin into the big cone is done at the autoconer machine. This is, we have Japanese as well as German as well as Italian. Three best brands available: Slafost, Muratec and Savio, for conversion of small bobbin into the big cones. So the final product is this cone, the big cone, which is of 1.89 kgs per cone. And then this cones gets into the packed carton, where we put one carton of 100 pounds.
So, what is the long-term vision and short roadmap of your company?
Our company is a relatively very young company. We are into this market for 10 years. Our vision is to take our company into I cannot say as a global because we are already global. We are exporting to 22 countries. But I want to make this company exports and manufacturing of many textile products. Not only raw material, we want to export finished fabric, finished garments, not only export but also manufacture. This is our long-term vision.
Okay.
Yeah.
So far, we've talked with Abhishek Lat, Managing Director from Limited Export Limited. Thank you for having precious time. Thank you.
My pleasure.